What's up everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have another unboxing for you guys. This time this one is from the Diecast airplane store. These guys offer a wide range of collectible model airplanes. So without further ado guys, let's get right into this video. Also check out diecastairplanestore.com for a wide range of 1 to 400 scale model aircraft, as well as 1 to 200 scale and many other options. And now, let's get right back into this video of this amazing unboxing here from Diecast Airplane Store. So as you guys can see, starting on top here, we have the Toontown livery here from Alaska. Super detailed here. NG models, glad to have this in my collection. We also have the Delta 100 years from Gemini Jets. Happy to finally own this one. Super neat. Will never stop climbing. I'll be flying Delta next week here up to MSP Airport, so really excited about that, guys. Got 2 Southwest 737-700s. There we go. There's the second one. And then finally we have the Delta A350-900, 100 years livery. What a beautiful aircraft here, guys. Can't wait to see this in person someday. Maybe I'll catch it when I'm up at MSP in about 2 weeks here, actually. About 2 weeks now. That's when I'll be up there. Correction. 2 weeks. So it'll just be a quick trip, guys, seeing some family, but we will be flying in and out of MSP. Maybe I'll see the new, what airline is that? Discover Airlines, a low-cost airline flying in there. Don't know what terminal that's going to yet. Assuming Terminal 2, I think. But I'll be flying Delta into Terminal 1, because I only do fly Delta now. It's just nice service. And yeah, you can always rely on it. Flown Sun Country too many times back in the day, and they're never on time, and it's really sketchy. So, but anyways, guys, that's the last plane here. All right, guys, here are all the airplanes in our unboxing here today. So you can see. I will be selling some Southwest older planes, I do believe, so stay tuned for that, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, well, that does it for this quick little unboxing here from the Diecast Airplane Store. Go check them out, guys. Link in the bio. Super cool. Fast shipping, guys. Once these bad boys were in, they shipped them right away. Do have 2 Toontown 737s now. I think I'm just going to be putting the other one into a display case. We'll see. And I don't know what I'm giving away yet for my 5,000 follower goal here on Instagram. So stay tuned for that, guys. So we'll be giving 1 aircraft away. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for joining me today again. Model Airport Nation here. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting.